This is a review of the Hardell 8-volt cordless rotary tool kit, and the brand did send me a free one so I can show you some of the features today, and I've had several of their products. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is it is high quality, built very tough, great construction. The other thing you're going to notice, it's very lightweight, so you can work with this and transport it anywhere. Now, to turn it on, you're simply going to press the button here. Right away, you're going to notice this bright LED light, so you can illuminate what you're working on. Now, over here on the screen, you're going to notice it does have 6 different speeds. Here's the lowest speed, faster, faster, faster. And there you go. You can enjoy maximum spin on this one. Now, of course, it does come with a very convenient carrying case, which is also very high quality and tough. You're gonna notice the mesh netting in here, but the best part about it, it does come with 80 accessories. And these accessories here are gonna allow you to polish, engrave, sanding, a lot of different do-it-yourself activities. All these bits here are included for your project. It is rechargeable using this included USB-C charging cable here, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who wants a DIY toolkit for your projects.